ufuna nje unelekgwalele
Yes. Shota wena mo.
o sole ke lekgwale
A ke a jalo go abanna le go le mbugile.
le maaka a bona gore ka mo tseba ke tsotsi ya mo tseba ha re seba le maaka o lle
Mata
ga kana go bitsa o kana go tela ena o atela le dijo no se se
mata maka.
mara umfona jo lu ke mo ya
Le ke go re munyaka a se gone.
mara nna go jo go fona na bara ba le gona
Maka.
Hello there you guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So Limpopo Boy is now mentoring Uskomota Basipela like all over the place. Guys, ever since the video Limpopo Boy got leaked, people have been speculating, alleging that Skomota might have been the one who played with Limpopo Boy's phone and then mistakenly leaked that video, you guys. Now, the video that I inserted at the beginning is that of Skomota saying that Limpopo Boy is a womanizer. He knows him better than everyone else. And of course, it was a joke, but it seems like Skomota might have known the kind of person that he is. At least that's what people are saying under the comment section. They're saying that there's no one who knows Limpopo Boy better than Uskomota. Uskomota has certainly seen a lot. Now, Uskomota's team has issued a statement on his social media to speak about the leak. And the statement reads as follows. A statement was released on the 11th of August 2026. It says, to Limpopo Boy and Matsidi Show, I'm writing this letter to sincerely apologize for what happened involving your cell phone and the mistake that was posted online. The video rather that was posted online by mistake. I am deeply regretful of my actions and understand that my situation may have caused you embarrassment, distress, and inconvenience. I take full responsibility for what happened and sincerely apologize for not being more careful when using the cell phone. Please know that was never my intention to cause you harm or disrespect your privacy. I'm truly sorry for the situation or any pain and or embarrassment it may have caused. I ask that may you please accept my sincere apology. I will learn from this mistake and ensure that I handle other people's personal information and devices with much greater care and respect in the future. Once again, I sincerely apologize to the both of you. Yours sincerely, Uskomota. You guys, of course, that was him apologizing for being the one to allegedly, reportedly leak that video, which could have cost him his career.